Calling all you downsizers,
all you first-time home buyers,
all you growing families,
all you investors.
We got something for each and every one of you.
So stay tuned. All that and more on today's episode.
All right, Julie, here we are once again in Barrie's beautiful East End neighborhood. And every time I step foot in this part of town, I am constantly reminded about how incredible and beautiful it is here, starting with these tree-lined streets and these oversized mature canopies that we have here. It is truly stunning. And again, all of those day-to-day conveniences are just a short 5-minute walk or drive out your front door. For the grocery and the day-to-day pharmacy and shopping, we've got North Barrie Crossing just up Duckworth, as well as Johnson and Blake. Tons of amenities there to support your day-to-day conveniences. Now let's not forget about those kids either. We are in one of the best school districts in all of Simcoe County, whether it's public, Catholic, elementary, or high school. We have some of the best schools here for them to excel. And then for the day-to-day recreation and just overall enjoyment, we've got ski hills and golf courses right around the corner, but even closer, we've got the Oro Rail Trail, Johnson's Beach, stunning Kempenfelt Bay, as well as Barrie's downtown core. I mean, everything is within a short 5-minute walk or drive, as I said, and that's what I keep being reminded of every time I step foot here in Barrie's East End.
I couldn't agree with you more. We have an exceptional location here, but one of my favorite parts about the East End is that no two homes are alike. They're not cookie cutter subdivision homes, and we have a beautiful home for you today. Whether you're an investor, a first-time home buyer, a downsizer, or somebody just looking for that great home with a great feel, that's what we have. This home has so many updates. We have a beautiful kitchen and bathroom, and it shows to perfection. Not to mention, a lot of your big ticket items have been taken care of, so it's literally move-in ready. We can't wait to show you this one, so let's head inside and take a closer look.
Welcome inside 97 Napier Street, where from the minute you walk through that recently updated front door, you are just wowed by this completely renovated open space here, starting with this phenomenal kitchen you see in behind me here. This was completely stripped back to the studs just a short few years ago. We've got all new cabinetry here, soft close drawers and doors, quartz countertops, tile backsplash extending right from the countertop up to the ceiling, as well as all new appliances, just rounding out this chef-inspired space. My favorite part about this space has to be the way this beautiful kitchen flows seamlessly right into this oversized living space. I mean, you have so much room here to just enjoy and entertain family and friends, or perhaps just kick back and relax, taking in movie or game night. But my favorite part has to be this oversized picture window, which was recently replaced, so you can just enjoy hanging out in here watching the snowfall, or perhaps the kids playing right out front. But that's not all. We are just scratching the surface.
It's hard to find anything not to love about that kitchen and living room, but let's talk about the staples of this home. We have 3 generous sized bedrooms and a beautifully remodeled bathroom, and you can rest easy knowing that most of your big ticket items have been done for you. So we have a newer furnace, newer AC, newer hot water tank, and newer water softener. Not to mention there's been added insulation in the attic, so you will rest easy knowing you'll be nice and warm and cozy. The setup of this home works perfectly if you're a growing family or an investor. With a partially finished basement, we have 2 additional bedrooms downstairs, and we have a side entrance, so if you did want to turn this into a legal second suite, the options are endless.
All right, Drew, we've covered a lot of ground here so far today. I mean, the location is phenomenal. We've got an incredible house with tons of updates, but let's not forget about this phenomenal backyard we have here. And these lot sizes and yards are what Barrie's East End are truly all about. And we've got these massive trees, as you can see right behind me here, giving you tons of shade and just the beauty that they offer day to day. But the best part has to be the fact that the kids and four-legged friends can run around here in this fully fenced backyard. You do not have to worry whatsoever. And again, if you're looking to add on to this house, whether it's up or back, you have the ability to do that. We've got it unspoiled at the side of this lot here as well. So perhaps it's a shop or a garage down the road, you can pull right into this backyard. I mean, the use cases just go on and on and on. Hard to find something not to love about this phenomenal home.
It really is hard to find something not to love about this home. Regardless of what type of a buyer you are, the opportunities are endless. We've got the location, we've got the school district. We have so many updates, both mechanical and cosmetic. It really does fit the bill for so many different types of buyers. All you need to do is move in.
We're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie's East End. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.